Welcome to Kognito Key. We're here to unlock the simple secrets to a healthier you. Today, we're talking about a group of super powerful vitamins that might be flying under your radar.
People always say things like carrots help you see in the dark or a little sunshine is good for you, right? Well, there's a real reason for that. The answer lies in a special group of micronutrients. So let's dive right into the world of fat-soluble vitamins.
So, here's our game plan. We'll start with what makes these vitamins so special. Then we'll meet the four key players one by one: A, D, E, and K. And finally, we'll wrap it all up to see why this is your body's essential toolkit for good health. Ready?
All right, first things first. What does fat-soluble even mean? It sounds kind of technical, but it's actually pretty simple. Okay, so these vitamins are what you'd call lipophilic, which is just a fancy way of saying they love fat. They dissolve in fat, not water. So unlike some other vitamins that just pass right through you, these guys stick around. Your body absorbs them with the fats you eat and then stores them in your fatty tissues and liver. It's kind of like stocking up your pantry for later. And you know what? There are just 4 of these essential fat-soluble vitamins. Each one has its own unique superpower. So let's meet this fantastic 4. First up, we have vitamin A. It's most famous as the vision vitamin because, well, it's a total game changer for keeping our eyesight sharp. But trust me, its job goes way beyond that. So, vitamin A is absolutely critical for creating the pigments in your eyes that let you see in dim light. It also gives your immune system a major boost and is super important for healthy cell growth. If you don't get enough, it can lead to some pretty serious issues, like night blindness or even a really severe eye dryness called xerophthalmia. The good news? You can find it in so many delicious, colorful foods. Think bright orange and yellow fruits and veggies, carrots, mangoes, you name it. And it's also in things like fish, meat, and dairy. Easy peasy. Okay, moving on to our next vitamin. This one is really unique because you can get it from your food and from the sky. It's vitamin D, famously known as the sunshine vitamin. Our bodies are so clever they can actually make it from sunlight. Now, its biggest job is to manage calcium in your body. Basically, vitamin D is the key that unlocks your body's ability to absorb the calcium you eat, which is vital for strong bones. A lack of it can cause rickets in children, and for adults, it can lead to a really painful bone-softening condition called osteomalacia. So yeah, getting a bit of safe sun exposure is great, but you can also top up your levels with foods like fatty fish, mushrooms, and anything that's been fortified with vitamin D, like milk or certain grains. Next up in our fantastic 4 is vitamin E. You can think of this one as your body's personal bodyguard, protecting you from the inside out. See, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. Its main mission is to protect your cells from damage caused by these pesky, unstable molecules called free radicals. It's basically on the front lines, keeping yourself safe, strengthening your immune system, and helping with repairs. And where can you find this amazing protector? It's abundant in healthy fats like nuts and seeds, avocados, and also in leafy greens like spinach and yummy fruits like kiwi. And last but definitely not least, we have vitamin K. I like to call this one the healing vitamin because it's absolutely essential for blood clotting and helping your body mend itself. Just think about it for a second. If you get a small cut, you expect it to stop bleeding, right? Well, that's vitamin K at work. Without enough of it, your body would really struggle to form a clot. It's also a team player, helping guide calcium to your bones and teeth where it belongs, and keeping it out of your arteries. You can easily load up on vitamin K with lots of green leafy veggies like cabbage and broccoli. You'll also find it in fruits, meats, and even good old olive oil. And there you have it, our fantastic 4. A, D, E, and K. So now that we've met them all, let's pull it all together and see what this means for your everyday health. Okay, if there's one thing you take away from this, let it be this. Because these vitamins are fat-soluble, your body literally cannot absorb them without some fat. So a balanced diet that includes healthy fats, we're talking avocados, nuts, olive oil, is the absolute key to unlocking all their amazing benefits. So it really makes you think, doesn't it? Now that you know all their superpowers, which of these vitamins are you going to focus on getting a bit more of? Making sure you have this complete toolkit is really the secret to helping your body feel its best. If you found this helpful and learned something new today, please give this video a like and share it with someone you care about. And don't forget to subscribe to Kognito Key so you never miss out as we unlock more secrets to a healthier you.